I was lost like the prodigal son, walking far from my father's arms. Sin left my heart empty and undone, yet he still welcomed me home. I turned away from all my sin, I fell before your throne. You opened your arms as you welcomed me home. Your love brought me back to you. Jesus, I repent, I surrender all to you. You took my broken heart and you made it new. Your blood has washed me clean, your grace has brought me home. I was lost, but now I'm found. In you I belong. Sisu okuo whakadomala, okuo duku e kumo uiki ate koe. Na ake whakamaa au aki hoda ada ape ake gawi au ke ufo. Jesus, I repent. Okuo duku e kumo uiki ate koe. I was searching for a life without you, but everything I found left me empty. Now I walk in the light of your truth. Your mercy made me new. The past is gone, I'm not the same. Your spirit lives inside of me. You call me out of darkness, and now I walk in victory. The old is gone, the new is come. My chains are broken, I'm free. Jesus, you gave your life for me. Now I live for you completely. No more running, no more hiding. I'm coming home to you. Your love has found me. Your grace surrounds me. I belong to you. Kuomole aeda gada modua. Kuohoko ofo. Kuofakadawa daina au iante koi. Sisu na ake fo akiho mo ui maaku. Pede umo ui maakoe. Father, I'm coming home. I'm running into your arms. Jesus, you saved my soul. Your grace has brought me home. I was lost, but now I'm found. I belong to you.